Ever wondered why the sun turns red during sunsets? It's all about the atmosphere. As sunlight travels through the sky, it hits more air molecules when the sun is near the horizon. This scatters the shorter blue and violet wavelengths, leaving behind the longer red and orange wavelengths that dominate the sky. The thicker the atmosphere or the more particles in the air, the deeper the red hue becomes. That's why sunsets look even more vibrant after a storm or in areas with pollution. What's the most beautiful sunset you've ever seen? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.